So now today we are going to start with, you can say, with one type of verb, that is stative and dynamic verb. So what are stative verbs? Stative verbs, for example, which show any kind of possession. Okay, for example, possession they show. Okay, for example, state of being, for example, be. Okay, right? Then for example, I'm thinking of by, for example, I think that Kiran is right. Okay, means here think means what it is. It means it's believing. Okay, these are the words of perception. I think, I see. Okay, I smell. These are words of, you can say, perception. Sometimes possession. I have my own car. Okay, I possess a big bungalow. I possess a big house. I have possess a big library of books. Okay, so these are, you can say, words of stative, verbs of stative stage. So dynamic verbs we are always doing, that is just a very short topic it is. Okay, dynamic verbs means the words which are of action. You know, for example, come, go, listen, speak, eat, drink. What are these? These are all dynamic verbs. Okay, so just one short exercise we are left with. So coming up to page number 119. Okay, so let us do. I am being happy to see you. So what is the stative verb or dynamic verb here?
I'm stative am.
Okay,
I'm
and
stative and buying dynamic.
buying, not buying, it is being. Okay.
Being.
Okay, being. Okay, happy is what? Happy is also, you can say, soft perception, right? Take some oil and here. Take some oil and heat it. Take is what?
I'm dynamic.
Dynamic. Okay. Isha is jogging in the park. Isha
Is stative, jogging,
jogging
dynamic.
is right.
Dynamic.
Yogesh walks to work every day.
Walks, dynamic.
Walks dynamic. Okay. I can see a full moon in the sky.
See, dynamic.
Okay. They own a large house in the city.
Own, stative.
Own is very good. It is stative because it is a, you can say, word which shows us possession. This packet is containing 5 chocolates.
Is stative containing dynamic.
Please clean your room. Clean is?
Clean, dynamic.
Clean is dynamic.
I'm repairing the computer.
I'm stative, repairing, dynamic.
Okay. I'm preferring to watch match on TV. Is dynamic.
I'm stative, preferring, dynamic.
Okay, so now let us move on to our past tense. Okay, first of all, we have revised the rules yesterday. Okay, so what is past tense? Coming up to page number 124. First of all, so change following sentences into negative and interrogative form. There was a lovely house here.
There was not.
Negative is there was not a lovely house there, and interrogative form is
Was there a lovely house
lovely house there, and at the end sign of interrogation. Okay, the old people enjoyed the picnic.
The old didn't enjoy the picnic.
The old
Didn't
people
enjoy.
did not enjoy the picnic is negative.
Did
And
old
the old people
Did the old people enjoy the picnic?
yes, this is what? This is interrogative. So one more we will do. The party was over early.
The party was not over early.
Over early, or was the party over early? Okay. Yes, now you got to know how to do it. You will do it yourself. Next is on page number 125. Rewrite following sentences making corrections. We have to make corrections here. Okay. So let me unmute Krishna also. Yes, Krishna, you are unmuted now. Yes. It started to rain while we walked home from school.
We were walking.
While we were walking, right. I was liking the new movie.
I liked the new movie.
I liked the new movie because it's past tense. They were having 2 cars, but they sold
They
one
had-
car. They had
Yes,
2
because
cars. Earlier they had, but not at present. So they had. I told them not to disturb me. At that time, I am studying.
I was.
I was. The child child is crying because he couldn't see his mother.
The child was crying.
Because he
The
Was crying.
The parents were wait to meet the principal.
Were waiting.
Were wait.
Verbatim.
My sister stayed for dinner since I baked her favorite dish.
I baked.
I baked. I baked her favorite. Yes, since I baked her favorite dish. When I get home, my dog was waiting for me at the door.
When I went home.
Got past form this. Okay. Ria sleeps when the phone rang.
Ria was sleeping.
When the phone rang. The world sleeps when India awoke to freedom.
The world was sleeping.
The world was sleeping. Very good. So on the next page, use correct past form of the verb given in brackets to complete each sentence, which means we have to use appropriate past tense. The children dashed when they saw the clown.
Laugh.
Laugh. Olden times, people dash on horseback or by bullock
Traveled.
carts. Yesterday I dashed to the market when I dashed to rain. When it dashed to
I went to the market. Again.
1 minute.
When
Yesterday I was going to the market. Okay, I was going to the market when it began to rain is the right answer. Okay, next. The judge dashed the criminal to 10 years in prison.
Sentence.
The principal dashed the teachers and students on Founders Day. Address. The cat dash when Rahul dash into the pool and dash it.
The cat was running when Rahul jumped into the pond
And saved it. Yes, so how
and
it means
saved
the
it.
cat was drowning when Rahul jumped into the pool and saved it.
Cat.
So next afterwards, my mother dash very fond of animals.
My mother was
Was.
been very fond of animals.
My mother was. My mother
Mother
was.
was.
Right answer. Okay, was very fond of animals, but she dash it difficult to look after them.
Found it.
Found it difficult to look after them when she dash older. He was growing older because this process was in continuity. The children dash the answer, so the teacher dashed them some more revision time.
The children did not know the answers, so the teacher allowed them to some more time to do revision.
So the teacher allowed them some more revision time. Next, Payal dash a painting while Raman dash.
Payal was finishing a painting while Raman cleaned out the
Payal
garbage.
finished a painting. One is in past tense while Rahul was cleaning
Cleaning out the garage.
Raman dashed dinner when his guest dashed.
Raman was still cooking dinner when his guest arrived.
Cooking the dinner when his guest arrived. Next page.
Raman was still cooking.
Yes, next page. Prakash dashed to the cinema last night when he dashed. So complete it. I'm just giving you 1 minute. Complete it. Suhana will speak the answers. Yes, Suhana, speak out the sentence.
Went to cinema last night. When he was returning,
Prakash went to the cinema last night. Yes.
when he was returning, a dog bit him.
Okay.
He consulted the doctor.
Right.
The doctor recommended injections, and Prakash
Recommended injections and Prakash
had to go to the clinic every day for 10 days.
okay, and he
Hated those painful injections.
absolutely right. So next afterwards, next part 127 page E part, we have to use correct past form of the verb. So let me see what you have written. He thanked me for what I dash.
Agree for what I
Did.
what I did.
Did. We dash Mohit all morning and dash where dash.
We were not see Mohit all morning and wondered where
We
he
had not seen.
He had not seen.
We did not see. We did not see Mohit all morning and wondered where he had been. Next. The headmaster.
लास्ट में क्या आएगा
Yes.
had been.
मैम सेकंड सेंटेंस के लास्ट में क्या आएगा वंडर
Where he had been. Where
Okay,
he
ma'am.
had been. Next. The headmaster dashed to see
Wanted to
Mohit
see
talk-
you.
Wanted.
Wanted to see you.
Wanted. The taxi driver dashed to the fair
Agreed.
and dashed
Agreed.
agreed to the fair and dashed us to the school.
And drove us.
And
And
drove
drove
us.
The sun dashed and the night dashed quickly.
The sun set. The sun settled and the night.
quickly. And the night
प्लीज रिपीट
The sun settled.
set
descended quickly
set only.
The night descended quickly.
Set quickly. Set and the night descended quickly. Next, people dash out in large numbers to cast their votes.
people came
Came out.
The children dashed their teacher a lot of questions.
Asked.
The children dashed their teacher. Okay. We dashed the station when the train dashed.
We reached the station when the train arrived.
Kind of two actions are there. First one is in perfect and the second one is in simple past. So we had to reach the station.
When the train was arriving.
No, I told first is in perfect and second one will be in the
We
form
had
of
reached-
past tense.
we had
So,
reached the
we had
station when the
reached
train
the
arrived.
station when the train arrived. Okay, when the train
Ma'am,
arrived.
ओके मैम एक्सक्यूज
Next,
मी मैम
yes.
मैम मैंने लिखा है वी रीच द स्टेशन व्हेन द ट्रेन हैड अराइव्ड
No, first of all, we had reached the, yes, this can also be, we had reached, yes, this is right. Next, he dashed that they dash all their money in the bank.
He knew that they kept
They
all
had
Kept all their money
They
in
knew
the
that they had kept all their money in the bank.
बैंक
I dashed him to bring the file sooner than he dashed.
I wanted him to bring the file sooner than
Then
he did.
he did. Then he did. Next, afterwards, after that, the next page number 129. Use the correct tense. Yes, who will do? Who will speak the answers? What you have done?
I had been working.
Yes, first
मैम आई हैड बीन वर्किंग इन द गार्डन
one is I dashed in the garden for 2 hours when it started to rain.
आई हैड बीन वर्किंग
I had been working. The baby dashed all day,
Slept all the day.
slept. Poonam dashed. Okay, right. Poonam dashed for the exam and she did not score well.
Not studied.
Was not studying for the exam
Had
and
not
she did not score well. She doesn't dash football for a long time.
had played football for a long time.
Why had played? Why had played? Simple
Played.
Simple play. Yes, simple play, Raiga. They dash in Kerala for most of their lives.
They lived
They
in
have
Kerala.
been.
They lived in Kerala. I dashed mathematics for several years and had become quite good at it.
I had been
studying.
I had studied. Next,
I
after
had
that, child dash in the garden for 4 hours.
The child had been sitting
Very
in
good.
the garden
The child
for
had been sitting in the garden for 4 hours. Very good. Next, afterwards, future tense. The rules we have revised yesterday. So let us immediately do it. First is on page number 132. Come up to page number 132. Let us do these. The bus dash in 20 minutes.
The bus will leave in 20 minutes.
Will leave. I dash 12 years next month.
I will complete. I will complete.
I shall complete. I shall complete. The doctor dash your colony next Friday.
The doctor
Will visit. I'm sorry, I dashed the assignment by tomorrow.
I am sorry, I will not finish.
I will not finish. Dash, we dash Ritu and her sister for dinner. Shall we invite? I believe PV Sindhu dash the match. I believe
Will win.
will win. Next, the guard dash unauthorized persons to enter the premises.
Will not permit.
Will not permit. This time tomorrow, she will dash to Mumbai.
She will
to Mumbai.
She will have flown to Mumbai. She will have, because this is means what it is going to be expected to be completed in the future time, and that what we use future perfect. And she dash surprised.
She will be.
Surprised. Technology changes so quickly. This phone dash much less than 6 months.
Will cost.
Will cost. We dash on Friday to finalize all arrangements for the farewell party.
We will meet on Friday.
We will meet on Friday to finalize all the arrangements for the farewell party. Okay. Next, we have to change into interrogatives.
Excuse me, ma'am. Fourth
Yes.
ka kya?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the answer of fourth one?
Fourth one. I'm sorry, I will not finish the assignment by tomorrow.
Ma'am, I shall be.
Both can be used. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Change the following sentences to interrogative. Tara will have completed her class by 9:30 p.m.
Will
Tara
Tara
have
completed
her work by 9:30 p.m.
Right. Tara have completed her class by 9:30 p.m. Next. Nita won't be there for the party. Prerna is unmute. Let me unmute Prerna. Prerna, you can give the answer. Yes. Krishna, give the answer. Nita won't be there for the party.
Will Nita be there for the party?
Ma'am, will Nita be there for party?
It is won't. Won't. See in the sentence, it is won't.
Won't Nita prepared for the party?
Won't Mita be there for the party? Right. Next, I will be going to London next year. Now, now Bani will tell the answer. Bani, give the answer. I will be going to London next year. Yes. Or shall I be going to London next year? Okay. She will take up a job after graduation. Kanav, give the answer.
Will she take a
Job
next? Will she? Graduation. Will she take up a job after?
Will she take up a job after graduation? Right. Karan shall be a lawyer when he graduates. Okay, now
Shall Karan be
a lawyer when he graduates?
Shall Karan be a lawyer when he graduates? This mobile phone will cost a lot less in 6 months. Bhavya,
Will this mobile
phone
cost less in 6 months?
will this mobile phone cost less than in 6 months? Next, we will be shifting to our new house soon. Suhana will give the answer.
Will we be shifting to our new house soon?
Okay, right. At the end, sign off interrogation after everyone. Okay, who will give the answer? By the end of this year, I will have completed 20 years of service.
Ma'am, will by the end of this year, I have completed 20 years of service.
Till I have completed 20 years of
Till I have 20 years of service by the end of this
by
year.
the end of this year, right? By the end of this year is absolutely right. Now coming up to the last exercise of this. Yes. Use simple present, present continuous forms. The date of the school cultural festival
Is approaching.
is approaching. Let's go over the plans again. The chief guest,
Will
no, will. This is simple
Will
present
arrive.
tense. When we have planned future, we use only simple present tense. Okay. So it means the chief guest arrives at 12:30 p.m. Next, Deepa and Gagan greet him. Again, planned future. And
him.
Deepa present a bouquet of flowers. As soon as present a bouquet of flowers. As soon as everyone is seated, the show
Is starting.
starts. Actually, through this exercise, the writer, he wants to make us clear the fact that when we have some planned future, what we use simple present tense. Okay, use
Okay,
simple
ma'am.
present tense. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For example, the school opens on this date. This is again the future. It will happen in future. But again, what is this? This is planned future. This is the reason why we are using simple present tense. So next afterwards, Maya dash the welcome address.
Present.
Maya,
Maya present the welcome address.
is the choir ready? They dash the welcome song. They are singing.
They are singing.
Right.
Singing.
While the chief guest dash the lamp.
Light
The chief guest like the
Lights the lamp, and after the entertainment program and prize distribution, the vice principal dash the vote of thanks.
propose.
Presents,
principal
proposes vote of thanks. And I
Proposes.
hope everything goes
Go well.
Goes well. I hope singular is
Goes
there,
well.
na? So then it S or ES will be used. So with these, you can say all exercises are, you can say practice of tenses is complete. And I hope that everything is clear to you in grammar. Yes? Everything is clear? Give me a loud yes if yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Very good, very good. So you will do your answers, write down your answers in a very neat and clean manner in the exam. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And yesterday I have sent you the test also, 7th class.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
test, and those who haven't sent, I have also mentioned them. Okay, so next time be fully prepared. Okay, because ultimately step by step you will reach to the ladder of success. Okay, fine. So it's very good. Okay, so enjoy your day. Right? If you have any problem, you can ask. Which student?
I'm Bhavya.
Bhavya, I'll see. Okay, I'll see for your test also. Right? So tomorrow we will revise the next topics, and ultimately our complete grammar.
Yeah,
Grammar
ma'am.
has been completed with narration also, and tomorrow we will revise the writing skills.